Study point.
All the lectures are available here.
Current sources are in series and parallel. DC current sources are in parallel, can be added up and replaced with a single current source. It is an example in which two current sources are connected in parallel, 2 ampere and 1 ampere, and they are added up, that is 3 ampere, and replaced with single current source. Similarly, in next example they are added according to the direction of current and replaced. AC current sources in parallel can be added up and replaced with a single source if and only if all the sources have same frequencies. In this example both the sources are in parallel and have same frequencies, that is 10, so that they are added up and replaced with a single source. When AC and DC current sources are in parallel, then they can be added up algebraically but cannot be replaced with a single current source. Here is an example in which one is AC source and the other is DC are in parallel. They are added up algebraically like 5a plus 1a sine of 10t. When AC current sources are connected in parallel with different frequencies, they can only be added up algebraically but cannot be replaced with a single current source. In this case, two AC current sources are in parallel with different omegas that are 10 and 10.5, therefore they are only added up algebraically. If current sources are in series, then they can be replaced with a single current source only when they have same magnitude, amplitude in case of AC, direction of current, frequency, in case of AC. These are the examples. In first one all three conditions are satisfied, but in the next example magnitudes of sources are different.